Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund Sunwing Airlines plane tickets in 2024. So whether your plans have changed or you need to cancel your flight, understanding how to get a refund from Sunwing Airlines is essential. So in this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to request a refund for Sunwing Airlines plane tickets. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave for you. You can use this wherever you want. And before, of course, requesting a refund, it's important to understand the Sunwing Airlines refund policy. Sunwing Airlines offers some different refund options based on the ticket type and fare rules. Fully refundable fares can be refunded to the original form of payment, while non-refundable fares might only be eligible for travel credits or vouchers for free unless your booking is within 24 hours. So to check more if you're eligible for a refund or not, because it depends on eligibility, we'll need to go and visit their refund policy. So once you go to your browser, go to this URL section basically, and just type Sunwing like refund policy and hit the enter button. Click on the first link, and then you can go to their websites. So first of all, if you are already like sure that your ticket or you are eligible, or of course for refund, maybe you don't like need to check if you're eligible or not because you're already sure of that. Maybe you have the best plan that they offer and etc. You can simply just go to their websites like this, sunwing.com or sorry .ca. Then go to your account, click on sign in to sign in into your account. Make sure to sign in into that account. Of course, if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create a new one. But normally, if you of course here, if you're trying to like get an account, if you're trying of course to refund, so you already have an account and you already like, especially if you have an account, so you already like would have an account. So just go here and choose Google. You can use LinkedIn, Facebook, Google, Apple to log in into your account. As an example, if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account, as you can see by continuing Google, you share your name, email address, language preferences. You can see the privacy policy in the terms of service right there. Of course, like if you care about it, I don't know, it depends on you. Then you can click on continue. Once you're logged in, of course, you can simply just go to your account on here, click on access my bookings as an example. So of course for me, I'll not be able to do it until I finish like those informations. So I'll just go here. I'll not choose a random one in here. So those, I'll just do this, and 2002. Okay, I'll click on save and it should be good to go. So yeah, now of course if we go here and click on access my bookings, here you'll find your trips. For me, as you can see, I have no trips, but for you, you'll find the trip that you already booked. Just go and click on it and you'll find a cancel option. As an example, click on that cancel option. Once the flight is canceled or the trip is canceled, you'll be able to request a refund. You'll find the request a refund option there. But let's say you don't have an account. So just go here and sign up. Let's say you don't have an account. What should you do? You book your flight without having an account. You just book it as a guest. Every website has this option. What should you do? So exactly, you have two options. Either you go to your email provider, the email that you choose to use to create or to book that flight. Let's say, example, Gmail. You'll have to go to the specific email. Example, maybe this one. You'll find like the ticket email. So you'll find your tickets. If you scroll down, you'll find if you want to cancel this tickets, etc. You'll find the link. Click on that link and you'll be able to cancel that ticket right away without any problems. Of course, if you don't like want that, of course, after you cancel, you'll be able to refund it. And as I said, if you don't want that, there's the second option. If you go here to their home screen, main screen, just go to flights right away. As an example, normally here you can go and look for your specific flights. Where is it exactly? Okay, maybe don't over that in here. So the only option is just to go through your email and look for that link of cancellation. That's as I said before, if you already like sure about you're eligible for cancellation and even change. If you're not sure, you want to know if you're eligible or not, you can simply just go to the refund policy and read out everything that you want. As you can see, a lot of questions here. We'll just check the importance. Of course, I'll open all of them just in case you want like to answer any of those questions. I'll open them lately, and you can pause the video and read this all by your own. As you can see, as there is a deadline to request a refund. Of course, there is. As you can see, the deadline will be something like that. So you can read that out. What happens if you don't submit my refund request by the deadline? You'll no longer have the option to exchange your travel credits or for a refund. However, your travel credits will remain on file, and it will be valid for travel up to this exact date, and it can only be used by traveler name on the booking and holds no cash value once the refund deadline has passed. How will I receive my refund? Refund will be issued to original form of payments file, whether it's PayPal, maybe Stripe, maybe just credit card directly, or bank directly. It's up to you. My credit card has expired. How will I process my refund? In most cases, we'll be able to provide a refund in your credit card. If it's not there anymore, of course, if we're unable to do it, we'll contact you or your travel agent, as example, to arrange an alternative form of payments, except additional time for processing. So security purposes, additional informations may be required from you. The same process will apply if the credit card transaction has aged and has been archived by the credit card processor. So as you can see, I'm not going to read all of that because it will take so many times. So I'll just go, as I said, open all of those. If you want to see the answer of a specific question, you can simply pause the video and read the answer by your own, because here you'll be able to check if you're eligible or not, as you can see. And yeah, so for me, that's going to be it for me today. If you have any question or like, I don't know, suggestion for maybe in next video, you can leave it down below in the comment section. I'll try to do this as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.